Welcome to Japan, the birthplace of the Toyota Production System. Our lean Accelerator experience is a one-of-a-kind benchmarking mission to the heart of Japan. Come with us to discover what world-class manufacturing really looks like, up close, on the ground, where excellence is built into every detail. Whether the topic is just-in-time systems, visual controls, Kaizen mindsets, or lean leadership, we go beyond theory to witness best practice in real operations. These are proven tools that drive efficiency, quality, and culture, and they're in action here every day. Engagement with managers and leaders who sustain and adapt these systems will provide new insights and new ways of improving your competencies.
Toyota is a small incremental change sustained over time.
The power of the pen connects the people, the work, and the data. Instead of doing something within Excel or other technical means, having it up on the wall that people can actually go to, refer to, fill out, and write is great. Applies also to standard work documentation, redlining documentation to show the progress in terms of the improvement activities, making it very visual is important for the team. Another item, bad news first and then a thank you. Saw this in several locations on the tours. Reminded me of what Taiichi Ono said about the andon. When the andon was pulled, he would go and thank the workers for raising the problem to make it visible for all to see to start taking action on. I think it's very important for companies to step outside of what they know to go see what good looks like. It doesn't matter how many books you read. It doesn't matter how many experts you talk to. You're not going to get the full gist of what is going on. Even the tour itself is the tip of the iceberg. Getting that exposure, seeing what good looks like, that's monumental. And taking that back into your organization and trying to do something with it is required. A lot of organizations undertake these activities with no understanding of what good looks like, and they simply get into, oh, well, it's continuous improvement and respect for others. That makes sense, but they don't understand the nitty-gritty details. They don't understand the engagement from leadership, from top down, supporting that. And the work from bottom up for continuous improvement activities and how they actually meet and join together to move the organization forward. This is something that you actually have to go and see. On your tour, make some brief observations of items that you can bring back to your organization to experiment on within 30 days. A couple of quick wins, with the understanding that you should start small. Do not try to deploy it across your entire organization, because you will need to experiment with these things to make it fit the culture of your organization to carry that forward. So that should be the ultimate objective within the study tour. What items can I learn that I haven't seen before that I can bring back into my organization and help propel us and move us forward?
At Zenkai Improvement Partners, our goal is simple. Go to the Gemba and show people what good looks like, so they can take those insights home and implement them right away. And because every organization and industry is different, our study experiences are completely customized to address the goals and challenges you face. This isn't a tour. It's an accelerator program designed to facilitate change in your own workplace. Let Japan's best help you build your best.